React is a JavaScript library for building fast and interactive user interfaces. React apps runs in the browser, they don't run on the server. React makes building and maintaining the user interface of your application faster and easier. It was developed by Facebook and currently it's the most popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces. React is a component-based system. So what is component? Any large application is breaking into a smaller and reusable components. In this example, two components are static, which is showing in all pages. One is header component, another is footer component. Imagine if you are in other languages, if you navigate one page to another, the page will render header and footer again and again. So your website may slow down. That is why React comes in the picture. When you navigate in React, it only renders the dynamic area of the screen. See home to about page, about to contact page. It only renders the dynamic components. So why React like this? React keeps the lightweight representation of the DOM in memory, which prefer to the virtual DOM. When we change the state of the component, we get a new React element. React will then compare its element and its children with the previous one. It figures out what it's changed, then it will update the part of the real DOM and keep it in sync with the virtual DOM. So we simply change the state of the component and React will automatically match that DOM and update the state. That's all about React. Next we are going to set up a development environment.